and there's a very nice fresh strong oud fragrance which is around the entire hotel. So it's in the area where reception is, around the elevators, around the hallways, so it's really nice thing to experience as you're just walking around the hotel. So this is my room. I was on the 22nd floor. 22615 was my room. The card key that they gave me was like a wooden key, which looked very nice. It was something quite unique. But let's check out this room. So one of the things that I requested in my booking was a partial Gaba view. That was one of the options when booking my room. So this is a partial Gaba view room. So immediately first impressions is just how spacious this room is, and you have that lovely floor to ceiling window there in the corner. So this is the bed area. They gave me 3 beds. There's 3 beds in total. This is the view from the room. It's like a corner window, so there's kind of 2 sides to this window. So lovely view over Mecca. And then if we look over to the left here, you can see the clock tower. And if you look carefully there, you can see the Kaaba. Just gonna try and zoom into it. Yeah, you should be able to see it there just at the top. There's the top of the Kaaba. So yeah, very nice view from the room. It's very interesting around the times of the Azan, where you can see people moving towards the masjid, and just that area looks quite busy around prayer times. So yeah, this is the view from the room. Let me know what you guys think of the view. Let's move back to the room. So as I mentioned, there's 3 beds. There's like a little cushioned chair there where you can sit on and sort your shoes out. Over by the bed there's a side table with an alarm clock there, and there's actually a spot on that alarm clock where you can charge your phone if you have contactless charging, and that's the remote in a nice little case there. I've never seen anything like that before. A telephone, a pad for writing, and let's have a look on the other side. So we have a coffee maker there. They gave some complimentary water, and in fact they were topping up the water quite regularly because it was very hot in Makkah. It was roughly around 35 degrees. So the tea and coffee are all in this separate drawer, which is a nice way to organize things. It's not just scattered all over the table there. So that's the coffee machine. There's a kettle there as well. I'm not sure what that brand is, JVD, but that was the kettle. And just having a look at the bottom, there's some space there for glasses. It was empty, that drawer, but I thought I would just have a look. And here we have the mini fridge. The mini fridge was empty, but obviously you can put your own drinks and stuff in there. And we have a TV, we have another phone here, we have a mirror on the table there. This is the AC system, so it was a digital AC system with the air vents there at the top. The good thing about this room was that there were UK plug sockets, so I didn't need to use any adapter of any kind. And here we are now in the bathroom, so you can see a very spacious bathroom is what we have here, with a large mirror, and there is like marble around the sink. And just have a look and see how spacious this bathroom is. And this is just one side. So here is the sink area. There's plenty of towels underneath, and those towels have the brand of address kind of stamped on them. They provided a gown here. There's a toilet there with a bidet, and there's also the usual water jet on the side. They've also got a phone there. And then back to the sink area, there is some soap. They've provided a dental kit, and this is an area, well, a container which has some earbuds. And this brand here is called Lorenzo Villoresi, which is quite an expensive brand. That was some body lotion there. And here is the shower, so have a look at this shower, guys. There's actually a seat inside the shower area. And if you look at the top of the shower, there is like one of those rainfall shower heads, which is inbuilt. And that was more Lorenzo Villoresi shower gels and shampoos. So let's have a look back into the room again. So let's look at the wardrobe area. They've given another one of those gowns, and there are plenty of hangers with an ironing board, an iron, and some slippers there as well. And in one of the other wardrobes there was a Quran there with a safe and a prayer mat, which was very nice to have in the hotel room. And that was a hairdryer. Yeah, and just some more drawer space there. At the bottom there's like a laundry bag and a sewing kit as well. So yeah, that's everything for this room. Let me know what you think of this room. The main thing I like about this room is just the view that's here. I think it's a phenomenal view. And I managed to get a view of one of the suites. So here is one of the suites which you can get at this hotel. They have a Kaaba view. So this is the living area, and you can see the Kaaba just there in the background. I think I turned the lights off so you can get a better view here. So what a phenomenal view from the living room. And if we look at the bedroom here, they have that same corner window which is floor to ceiling. This is the bedroom, and then with the lights turned off, this is the amazing view that you can get right of the Haram area.